Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this first push down is most likely an A, possibly a 1. Still looks to me like 1, 2, 3 waves up. I think it's either a B or a 2. I think it's a B, and I still think this is going to end up making a big move to the downside, which is most likely a C, but could possibly even turn into a big wave 3. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this first move down as a 1. I'm looking at this move up as a 2. Now we got the 61% fib bounce, so I'm possibly am looking at this as starting a downtrend, possibly for a big wave 3 of wave C. So not only do we have CPI news for tomorrow for the dollar, but we also have some really good Canadian news, interest rate for the Canada tomorrow. It seems to me like a really good time for this to end the wave 2 and continue the downtrend for a big wave 3. Like I said, nice 5-way downtrend wave 1, big overlapping pattern wave 2, 61% fib bounce, took out the high of wave 4, definitely fits the characteristics of a wave 2 and a wave 3 to come. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, technically you probably should still be looking for longs. I mean, this move down right here could still be a correction to this move up. It may actually make one more attempt up. I am a big believer that tomorrow's news is going to most likely cause this to go down. So even if it does go up, I think it will end up making a lower high, and I think it's more likely that it will just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, to me the whole thing definitely does look very corrective. It almost does look like an A, B, and C. So like I said, it does seem kind of likely that maybe it will turn up. But even if it does turn up, I think it's more likely over the next 24 hours or so, it's more likely to make an ABC correction. And I think that tomorrow's news, either the Canadian news or the dollar news, is going to more likely cause this to end the correction, maybe even like a 1, 2, and wave 3 of wave 3. So, I mean, I definitely, depending on what time frames you're trading, if you're trading the 1 hour and below, you should definitely be looking for shorts anyways. If it does break structure to the upside, you could potentially be looking for longs. Just keep it in mind that most likely it's just going to be a correction, and then once you identify the end of a correction, you can start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.